Fellow Zimbabweans, comrades in arms, and men and women of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, I have read with grave attention the document that has emerged from the barracks titled Operation Code-Named People's Army. The message is clear, direct, and unmistakable. Sarabda mashkubda tukapangwa inwe na retired General Wilson Skakima Pranga no subscribe or like on the bell icon. Anabuda mzara Samira Chiti. The barracks have spoken as a retired senior officer who served this nation with honor for decades. I salute the courage of the serving senior officers and NGOs of the serving senior officers who have put their names, careers, and lives on the line to issue the situation report. They have done what a true soldiers must do when the constitution is being mutilated, when the elders are being exploited, and when the institutions we built with our blood are being turned into instruments of personal enrichment and the tribal patronage. The document exposes what many of us have watched with growing alarm: the incapacitation of the CNC and the capture of state institutions by external forces, the blatant bribery of senior officers with farms, cash cows, and promises, the erosion of professionalism in the army, air force, and other arms, the dangerous privatization of state companies and the inflation of tenders, the recruitment of villagers, and the sidelining of merit in favor of loyalty to one man and one faction. These are not rumors. These are the observations of men and women still in uniform, who took an oath to defend the people and the constitution, not to protect individuals or their good fathers. Let me be clear, the barracks have spoken. They have drawn a line. They have said they will not be used to mutilate the people's constitution. They will not salute self-promoted generals who have abandoned the customs and traditions of the ZDF. They stand with the people of Zimbabwe. To the serving members of the ZDF, remain disciplined, remain professional, but above all, remain loyal to the constitution and the people, not to individuals who have lost their way. History is watching. The people are watching. To the political leadership, the game is divide and rule, bribery and extension of power at the expense of the nation must stop. The soldiers have told you plainly they are tired of pathetic conditions of service. While billions are being looted, they will not do your dirty work. Aluta continua. The voice of the barracks is the voice of the institution. Let those who have ears hear. Domashukano kudanyo kwa pangwa inoi. Pena comment section medu za fungura enyi botu kudiva mzero bichitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, on the bell icon.